You guys, we got our heads in. So this is for the lunatic car, and this is super special because it's CNC ported from Extreme Turbo System with full Ferrara valve train, and there's also these stainless steel O-rings right here, and it'll handle the extra cylinder pressure that we're gonna be creating. Okay, so let's get these puppies on the block. So I put the gasket on here already, and then we just have to line up. I did it. And then take this thing off, this rubber hose. Okay, and then we're gonna put the bolts on, which are these things. This is like super long. We got 8 studs with me, which is this. 8 of these. We're gonna drop them in here and then tighten it. They already have this like greasy stuff on it, so I have to make sure not to touch the tip and stick these in. Ew, I should have put my gloves on. So let me stick the studs, these good looking studs. Okay, got all of these studs in, 8 of them.
Yeah, I'll cut them.
And then tightening it down. And we do have to match the other side. See, this is the before and this is the after. So there's 2 of those, obviously. So we're gonna do some torquing, same thing. So we're doing the increment torquing again. So starting off with 25 and then, ooh, okay, beeped. Next one. Okay, so Seth is gonna use his muscle and start torquing it at 75 because my little spaghetti arms can't do it. And then what are you gonna torque it up to?
125.
125? Dang, I couldn't even do 75. I should start hitting the gym more.
So to double check that you did 8, it counts every time you.
Oh, that's a fun tool. Why does it say 9 though?
No, that's the final torque. So right there says 8.
Yeah, because I would get confused. There's like too many studs in there. What is it at now?
100.
100.
It's at 125 now.
125 is the final one?
This is the final.
Ooh, go Seth. So strong. Okay, 125. So we turned it down with 125. So the heads are done, as you can see here, fully installed. And we obviously have to do one more, but we're gonna save the camera time there. And we still have to put the cams in, so we'll keep you updated with that. And the timing chains, so all of that stuff. It's coming together though, guys. So I'm super excited, and we're gonna continue to build this thing. Keep up with our journey, like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. Bye. You have to leave in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, so we're trying to make this fast.
But how are you gonna install the head? You're not gonna film then?
We're filming.
No, but
Literally right now. Why is the phone ringing?